Hello everyone, hello grade 4. Our lesson today is multiplying by two-digit number. We have two methods to multiply by two-digit number. Let's start. Multiplying by two-digit number. The first method is called what? Place holding method. For example, if we have 47 times 83, how can we multiply? We will multiply the units place, which is 3 by 47, followed by the tens place 8 times 47. Then we can add the two partial products. First, we will start with 3 times 47. 3 times 7 equals what, guys? Equals 21. Write 1 and keep 2 over 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 2 equals what? Yes, 14. So we write 14. Before going to the tens place, we will write 0 here in units place. So don't forget. So it's called place holding method. We will hold the units place by 0. Go to tens place. 8 times 7 equals 56. Write 6 and keep 5. Now 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 plus 5 equals 37. Now we can add the two products. Write a line and add. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Write 0 and carry 1 over 1. It will be 2. 2 plus 7 equals 9. And bring down 3. So 141 and 3760 are called what, guys? Don't forget, are called two partial products. So the product here is what? 3901. Let's have another example. He said 4087 times 91. Starting with the units place is 1. 1 times 4087, it will be the same number directly. Before going to the tens place, we will hold the units place with 0. Cancel units place and go to tens place. 9 times 7 equals 63. Write 3 and keep 6. 9 times 8, guys, equals what? Yes, take your time. 72. 72 plus 6 equals 78. Write 8 and keep 7. 9 times 0 equals 0, so we will drop 7. Finally, 9 times 4 equals 36. We will write all 36 because no digits here to multiply. Now we will add the two partial products. Don't forget. The two partial products here add 7 plus 0 equals 7. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Write 1 and carry 1 over 0. It will be 1 plus 8 equals 9. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Write 1 and carry 1 over 6 becomes 7. And bring down 3. So the product is what, guys? Yes, you can read this number. It's a 6-digit number. 371,917. Second method. Second method is using distributive property, which is expanded form, as we studied before in multiplying by one-digit number. For example, 47 times 83, the same example. We will write 47 as it is, times. What is the expanded form of 83? Ask yourself. Yes, it's easy. We can write 83 as 80 plus 3. Now we will distribute 47. 47 times 80 plus 47 times 3. It's easy. We can multiply now 47 times 80. Just drop 0. Now multiply 8 by 47 as we studied before in multiplying by one-digit number. 8 times 7 equals what, guys? Yes, 8 times 7 equals 56. We write 6 and keep 5. Now 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 plus 5 equals 37. Plus, by the same way, 3 times 47, it's multiplying by one-digit number. 3 times 7 equals 21, write 1 and keep 2. 3 times 4 equals 12, 12 plus 2 equals what, guys? Yes, equals 14. Now we can add the two partial products. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Write 0 and carry 1 over 7. 7 becomes what, guys? Yes, 7 becomes 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And bring down 3. So the product here is 3901. Let's have another example. Find each product. The first one, 18 times 13. Start with the units place. We will say 3 times 18. 3 times 8 equals 24. Write 4 and keep 2 up. 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 1 or plus 2 equals 5. 3 times 18 equals 54. Before going to tens place, we will write here 0 on units place. And cancel units place and cancel what we kept before. 1 times 18 equals 18. Now write a line and add the two partial products. 4 plus 0 equals 4 here. Yes. 5 plus 8 equals here 13. Write 3 and carry 1 over 1 becomes 2. So the product here 234. Next, 321 788 times 91. So start with the units place. 1 times this number equals the same number. Before going to the tens place, we write 0 in units place. 9 times 8 72. Write 2 and keep 7 up. 9 times 8 again equals 72. 72 plus 7 equals 79. Write 9 and keep 7 up. 9 times 7 equals 63. 63 plus 7 equals 70. So we will write 0 and keep 7 up. 9 times 1 equals what, guys? Equals 9 plus 7 equals 16. Write 6 and keep 1 up. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 plus 1 equals 19. Write 9 and keep 1 up. Now finally, 9 times 3 equals 27. 27 plus 1 equals 28. So we'll write here 28. What is the second step? Write a line and add the two partial products. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Write 0 and carry 1 over 7. It will be 8. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Write 7 and carry 1 up. It will be 2. So drop 2 here. 2 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3 plus 9 equals 12. Write 2 and carry 1 over 8. It will be 9 and bring down 2. So the product here is 8-digit number. We can read it as 29,287,708. Next, 675 times 43. Start with the units place. 3 times 5 equals 15. Write 5 and keep 1. 3 times 7 equals 21 plus 1 equals 22. Write 2 and keep 2. 3 times 6 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20. Before going to the tens place, we will cancel here the units place and write 0 in units place. Now go to tens place. 4 times 5 equals 20. Write 0 and keep 2 up. 4 times 7 28. 28 plus 2 equals 30. Write 0 and keep 3 up. Finally, 4 times 6 equals 24. 24 plus 3 equals 27. Now what is the second step? Ask yourself. Yes, write a line and add the two partial products. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 7 equals 9. And bring down 2. Now we have here 5-digit number. It will be 29,025. Next, 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 5 equals 10. Write 0 and keep 1 up. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals what? Yes, 9. Before going to the tens place, we will what? Yes, hold 0 in units place and go to the tens place. Now cancel units place and what we kept before. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 5 equals 15. Write 5 and keep 1 up. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Write 13 and write a line and add the two partial products. It's easy. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Write 4 and carry 1 over 3, it will be 4, and bring down 1. So the product here is 14,000, 5-digit number, 496. Next, 302 times 82. 2 times 2 equals what? Equals 4. 2 times 00, we will write here 00. 2 times 3 equals 6. We write 0 in units place, and 8 times 2 equals 16. Write 6 and keep 1. 8 times 0 equals 0, so we will drop 1 here. 8 times 0 equals 0, and finally 8 times 3 equals 24. Write a line and add the two partial products. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Bring down 1, bring down 6. We will bring down 2 and 4. So the product here, it will be 246,164. Finally, 5 times 7 equals 35. Write 5 and keep up 3. 5 times 0 equals 0, so drop 3. 5 times 0, again it will be 0. 5 times 7, it will be 35. Go to the tens place. Before going to the tens place, we will write 0 in units place. By the same way, 5 times the same number will give you the same number. So we'll write 5, yes, 3, 0, and what? 35. Write a line and add the two partial products. Don't forget, align the two partial products above each other to make add easy. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And bring down 3 finally. So the product here is 6-digit number. We can read it easily. 385,385. First problem, Ministry of Education distributed 425 computers for each administration. So number of computers for each administration is 425. Find the number of computers for 12 administration. To find the total numbers of computers, we will multiply 425 times 12 number of administration. So we will say here the total number of computers equals what? 425 by 12. We studied before how can we multiply by two-digit number. We have here 425 times 12. Start with the units place. 2 times 5 equals 10, write 0 and keep 1. 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 times 4 equals 8. Before going to the tens place, we will hold units by 0. 1 times 425, it will be 425. Now we can add the two partial products. 0 plus 0 equals 0, 5 plus 5 equals 10, write 0 and carry 1 over 8. We have here 9, 9 plus 2 equals 11, write 1 and carry 1 over 4, it will be here 5. So the total number of computers is 5,100. So we have here 5,100 computers. Yes. Second problem, he said a merchant had 2,465 pounds. He bought 25 boxes of soft drink for 57 livres Egyptian each. How much money left with him? To find how much money left with him, we will find the price or the cost of 25 boxes of soft drink. We will multiply 25 by 57. Then we can subtract the cost of 25 boxes from the total amount, which is 2,465. The first step, we will say the cost or the price, the cost of 25 boxes. It will be number of boxes, which is 25, by the cost of each one, which is 57. We studied before how can we multiply by two-digit number. We will say 25 times 57. It's easy, starting with the units place. 7 by 5 equals what, guys? Equals 35. Write 5 and keep up 3. 7 by 2 equals 14. 14 plus 3 equals 17. We write 17. Write 0 in units place. 5 times 5 equals 25. Write 5 and keep up 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now we can add the two partial products. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Write 2 and carry 1 over 1. It will be 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Bring down 1. So it will be here 1,425 pounds. To find here the total, or to find the money left with him, we will subtract. We'll say money left with him. It will be here 2,465 minus 1,425. We can now subtract. 5 minus 5, it will be 0. 6 minus 2, it will be 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 1, it will be 1. It will be here 1,040 pounds. Yes.